Hello guys, in this video you are going to learn how to create a battery app in MIT App Inventor 2. So now let's see the demo of the app. See, the status of our phone is discharging. The battery of our phone is 68%. The health of our phone is good and the temperature of the phone is 35 Celsius. So now let's learn how to create this app. Now click on start new project and type any project name you want. It will automatically redirect you to the main screen. Now before doing any designing, we need one extension. So now go to your web browser and type Pure with the apps. Now click on extensions and then scroll down. Somewhere here you will see this battery manager extension to provide battery information. So click on this and then go down, full down, and then here you will see download Typhoon battery extension AIX file. Click on it. It is downloading 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. It will be downloaded. Now go back to your MIT App Inventor. Scroll down, click on extension, import extension and put the file here and import. It will come here. The file, yes, it has come. Now go here and set align horizontal to center and align vertical to center. Then put 4 labels on the main screen. Here, here, here and here. Now set screen 1 background color to black and all the labels text color to white. All the labels. Now change the text size of all the labels to 50. 50. Enter. And you can it's optional. You can change the text of all the labels. It's optional because we will code that what text should become here. So I am going to put all the text to 0 and 0. Now go to the blocks. Now when screen 1 dot initialize, then first we forgot to put the extension, to put the extension on the main screen. Okay, blocks. When screen 1 dot initialize, then set label 1 dot text to temperature. Duplicate 4 times, put them here. See, there are many things here, but we are doing only 4 right now. So health, label 2 to health, label 3 to status and label 4 to level. Now this much only we need to do to create this app. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video and be safe and have a nice day. Bye.